In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your account securely and efficiently. It's a straightforward process, but following along will ensure you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, the initial thing you want to do is open up your web browser and head over to the top right corner of the window. There, you're going to notice your profile picture. It might be a small icon, perhaps a little version of whatever photo you have selected for your profile image. If you click on that, it will open a drop-down menu, giving you a variety of options related to your account settings and preferences. Next, within that drop-down menu, you'll want to find the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will direct you to a new page. Now, this page is crucial because it's basically the hub for your account information, privacy settings, and more. Make sure you're on the correct settings page, as this is where you'll manage how you log in and out of the account, among other things. After you're in the settings area, take a look towards the lower left of the screen. You'll see your profile picture again. This is where you can interact directly with your account options, including logging out. Clicking on your profile picture here is a key step towards logging out. It might seem repetitive seeing your picture again, but that's done on purpose to make sure you're handling the right account. Now we're on to the final step. When you click on the profile picture in the lower left, a few more options will pop up. The one you're specifically looking for is Logout. It's typically at the bottom of this list, making it easily accessible when you need to close your session. When you find it, go ahead and click Logout. And just like that, you're all set. You've safely logged out of your account. This process is pretty uniform across most websites, but always a good habit to get into, especially when you're finished using a shared or public computer. Remember, logging out is vital for keeping your personal information secure and preventing unauthorized access to your account. That wraps up today's tutorial, but before we close, here's a quick tip. Always make sure you see some sort of confirmation that you've been logged out, either a message or that the login page reloads. This is a good indication that all session data has been cleared properly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your account more securely. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.